Hey Ron, this is Corey here with Tamron Hyundai. I want to first thank you for your internet interest on the beautiful 2016 Hyundai Sonata. They didn't specify a specific color or trim package, but we have this beautiful silver one on the showroom floor that I think would be great as a demonstration before you get here. Let's first take a look at up front. Up front, we have LED headlights, wraparound headlights, as well as the running lights as well. They changed the wheelbase up. You have the piano black and silver alloy wheels with passenger and driver side turn signal, as well as you have the chrome accents on the bottom of the car. In the back of it, you have your leather package, as well as trunk room for 3 passengers in the back. Up front, the car is loaded out. This not only is a touchscreen radio, but it's also a backup camera and navigation when you put the car into reverse. You have selectable driving, which I'll explain to you more when you get here. Parking assist. You have passenger and driver side heated seats on this one. You have your Bluetooth control, as well as your volume control, as well as your cruise control. The car is loaded out. Lane assist, lane departure system. The car is loaded out. Panoramic sunroof. You get 90 days free of XFM radio. Roman alloys are loaded out in amenities, also loaded out in warranty. Hyundai, the manufacturer, give you a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty on the powertrain. We here at Tamron, we double that. We give you a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty on the powertrain and a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty. So look, give me a call. The number here is 205-380-6250. I'm going to work hard to earn your business, and we do everything we have to select the car that fits your needs. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Again, my name is Corey. The number here is 205-380-6250. Thank you.